In this video, we will learn about the integer data type in C++. An integer in C++ is analogous to an integer in mathematics. It is defined as a positive or negative whole number, or 0. Integer variables have a type of int specified. For example, we can have an int variable named positive that we assign a value of 1. We can also have an int variable named 0 set to a value of 0. Another example of an integer would be an int variable named negative assigned a value of -1. In a couple of lectures, we will take another look at integers when we learn about arithmetic operators in C++.